If you park on a busy waterway, you know what waves, wakes, and wind can do to your boat and your dock, especially if you're leaving your boat parked for a few days at a time. So how can you protect it all?
These dock whips from Dock Edge should do the trick. We're going to show you how easy it is to install them.
Where fenders and dock bumpers absorb impact, mooring whips are there to make sure that impact doesn't happen in the first place. Dock Edge makes economy, premium, and ultimate whips. Today we're using the premium 3400 model. They come in 4 different sizes to accommodate boats up to 33 feet and 20,000 pounds.
Our boat's 24 feet, about 5,000 pounds, so we've got the 12-foot model. You should pick the one that fits yours.
The bases are solid marine-grade cast aluminum. To install, line them up with the cleats on your boat about 4 to 5 inches from the edge of the dock and secure them with the lag bolts. The whips themselves are made from a solid woven fiberglass for extra strength and fit together with a smart plug-and-socket design.
The nice thing about the 3400 is there's no need for epoxy, which makes them really easy to take apart and store in the wintertime.
Attach the roller tips and the whip cleats and feed the whip line through. Then insert the whip into the base and attach the whip line to the boat and the whip cleat.
And when you're tensioning the line, you don't need to crank it tight like you're fighting a muskie. Just point the rod slightly above the horizon. With the 3400, you want to be at minimum 4 feet from the dock, so make sure it's not too close. And you can see the wind is swaying us a little bit, so we still need our spring line.
There are a few ways to do this laid out in the instructions. I tied the spring line to the middle cleat, then to each of the bases in a V pattern to keep the boat from swaying back and forth. Leave some slack so it's got room to bounce in the waves, and if your water level fluctuates, you'll need to adjust the lines as it moves.
Wow, you see that? No more bashing and crashing at all. These dock whips are keeping that thing nice and secure, far away from the dock. And if you're going away for the week, imagine the peace of mind that when you come back, everything will be right where you left it, thanks to these dock whips.